Here's a pair of the AirPods 4. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone. The Android phone that I'm using is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. First thing I want to note is with the AirPods 4, if we turn it over, there's no button back here, okay? If you look at all the previous AirPods, if you look on the back, you got this button right here, that little round button there and there, but the AirPods 4 doesn't have it, okay? Because apparently there's an invisible button on the front here, okay? Not on the back, it's on the front, all right? So let's go ahead and pair to my Android phone here. So first thing is make sure the buds are in there, close the lid, make sure there's no light on here, then lift it up, and then you want to tap twice. 1, 2. That puts it in pairing mode. You can see the white light blinking. Now that means it's in pairing mode, okay? So now we're going to go to settings on our Android phone. Go to connections or your Bluetooth settings, so connections. I'm going to tap on Bluetooth here. And now we're still in pairing mode. It's still blinking white. It's still scanning here. So let's scroll down under available devices and look for everything that's in pairing mode is down here. And there's my AirPods right there. It's still in pairing mode. Let's tap on that. It's pairing. You get a pairing request on the Androids. Tap on pair. And I just heard a little tick. And then we should be connected. AirPods is connected. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.